There are some tools that can make your work much easier. In today's video, we will look at the top 5 such tools that can improve your productivity and will also save you a lot of time. The best part? They are absolutely free. Let's get started. Hey friends, it's me from MoneyMind AI. Welcome back. Before starting, please subscribe to stay updated with all the latest in the world of artificial intelligence. Also, press the bell icon for getting notifications of all our upcoming videos. So let's get started with the video without any further ado. Number 5, Going. Going is an AI-powered no-code platform that enables users to build their own chatbots and workflows programmatically by simply describing what they want to accomplish in plain English. Users can connect different applications together, automate tasks, and build custom chatbot conversations. Going offers pre-built templates for common use cases like lead generation, customer support, and internal knowledge bases. It has a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that allows users to build and train their chatbots quickly without any coding experience. Once a chatbot is created, it can be deployed on various platforms including websites, messaging apps, and social media platforms. Going is designed to be scalable and can handle large volumes of conversations without compromising on quality. The platform also provides analytics and reporting tools that allow users to track the performance of their chatbots and make necessary adjustments. One of the key benefits of Going is its ability to integrate with a wide range of applications and services. This allows users to build powerful workflows that automate complex tasks and processes. Going also offers a marketplace where users can share their workflows and chatbots with others. Number 4, Designer. Designer is a graphic design tool that makes it easy for anyone to create professional-looking designs, even with no design experience. With a wide range of templates and tools available, users can create designs for various purposes, including social media posts, presentations, and marketing materials. Designer's AI features include an AI design tool that generates design suggestions based on user input, an AI logo maker that helps users create logos, and an AI image generator that creates images based on text descriptions. These features are powered by advanced algorithms and machine learning technology, which enables them to produce high-quality results that meet user requirements. The design tool analyzes user input, including design preferences, and generates multiple design suggestions for review and customization. The AI logo maker similarly analyzes user input, including industry and brand name, to generate logo suggestions. While the AI image generator creates images based on detailed text descriptions, these AI features are designed to be user-friendly and easy to use. Users can input their preferences and requirements through simple interfaces and customize the generated results to meet their specific needs. 3. Wonder. Wonder is a tool that uses AI to help users find answers to their questions quickly and easily. It can access and process information from the internet and provide summaries of topics based on user queries. Wonder's AI capabilities include natural language processing and understanding, which allows it to interpret user queries accurately. It also uses machine learning algorithms to provide relevant and up-to-date information. Users can ask questions in natural language and receive concise and accurate answers from Wonder. The tool also provides references to sources for users who want to learn more about the topic. Wonder's AI technology is constantly being updated and improved. The developers are continually working to enhance the accuracy and reliability of the information provided. Number 2, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. It has been trained on a massive amount of text data, which enables it to understand and respond to a wide range of topics and writing styles. ChatGPT can generate text in different formats, including articles, stories, and summaries. It can also answer questions and provide insights on a variety of topics. ChatGPT has many potential applications, including customer service. where it can be used to create chatbots that provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries. Education, where it can assist with tasks such as grading and providing feedback on student work. And entertainment, where it can generate interactive stories or dialogue for games and virtual assistants. Overall, ChatGPT is a versatile and powerful tool that can be used across a variety of industries and applications. Its ability to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs makes it an ideal choice for businesses and organizations looking to automate their customer service, education, or entertainment. Number 1, Jasper. Jasper is a comprehensive suite of AI-powered tools designed to help users create high-quality content quickly and easily. It includes features such as an AI writing assistant, an AI content generator, and an AI SEO tool. These tools leverage advanced algorithms and machine learning technology to provide users with valuable insights and suggestions for creating content. Jasper's AI writing assistant helps users write better content by providing suggestions for improving grammar, style, and tone. The AI content generator creates new content based on user input, while the AI SEO tool analyzes and optimizes content for search engines. Jasper also offers a variety of templates and pre-designed layouts that users can customize to suit their needs. The platform is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for beginners to start creating high-quality content right away. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, Jasper can help you streamline your workflow and produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience. From generating ideas to creating and optimizing content, Jasper's AI-powered tools can help you take your content creation to the next level. Friends, there are many other AI tools available that can make your life easier. If you know any such tools, then definitely share their names in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then definitely like it and subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch more such interesting videos related to AI, then definitely click on this video playing on the screen. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you soon in our next video. Till then, keep learning.